Every professional video creator knows this moment. The edit is done, the cut is locked, and then the client asks for one small change. Change the product, change the background, change the shot. That one request turns into hours of re-editing, rebuilding timelines, and fixing details that were already finished. Not because the change is big, but because video editing has always been rigid. What if video editing didn't work like that anymore? What if changing any part of a video was as simple as editing a photo? Seedance 2.0 is live on Pippit's Video Agent. Edit any part of your video with text. Instantly, say the change, see the change. The link is available in the video description. With Seedance 2.0, you can combine multiple image and video references in a single video. You can change visual elements like styling or environment while keeping identity, motion, and realism consistent. This allows creators to iterate on creative direction without reshooting or manual compositing. Next, you can replace specific objects inside a scene. The product can change while lighting, reflections, and camera perspective remain consistent. This makes it possible to update product visuals without rebuilding the entire scene, which is especially useful for commercial and advertising content. You can also change the background of a video while keeping the subject untouched. The subject's position and movement remain stable, even as the environment changes. This allows creators to adapt scenes to different settings without green screens, location changes, or reshoots. Seedance 2.0 also allows you to reframe shots and adjust composition using reference assets. You can expand scenes, adjust framing, and create full video sequences suited for branded campaigns or cinematic visuals without re-editing the original footage. Unwanted elements can be removed from a scene while everything else remains intact. There's no need for manual masking or frame-by-frame cleanup, making it easier to deliver clean results faster. You can apply cinematic camera movement using text. Pans, overhead shots, and dynamic angles can be added without physical camera setups or reshoots, giving creators more flexibility in post-production. Why this matters? For professional creators, this means fewer shoots, faster iterations, and more creative freedom. Instead of spending time on technical fixes, creators can focus on storytelling, visual direction, and experimentation. This isn't automation for beginners, it's control built for professionals. Platform positioning. Seedance 2.0 is now live on Pippit's Video Agent. If you work in professional video, creative production, or AI-driven workflows, this is a new way to think about editing. If this video was useful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Let me know in the comments what part of Seedance 2.0 you want to explore next. Thanks for watching.